Okay. So today we are going to see various ways we can learn and improve our English. We're going to see multiple ways where we can really improve our English seriously and effectively. Take, for example, you're a movie person, you like movies a lot. Now, let's say this case, you watch too much Swahili movies. You've been watching a lot of Swahili movies lately. Now, when you decide to really change your language, any language, but this specifically is English, when you decide to change your English, what you just have to do is transform the movies you watch. So instead of watching Swahili movies this time, you'll have to watch English movies. The more you watch these English movies, the more you watch them, the more you adopt to their accent, the more you start hearing them, whatever they're saying, the more you also get something to say back. You even gain more confidence. That's the first thing. But also, we're going to go through the second one. When it comes to learning English, it's very, very specific. It's very, very wise of you to read some stories. Read some English stories. Whether you like it or not, just find a time, go to YouTube, Google some English stories. Just look up in YouTube for some very nice, exciting English stories. Now, luckily enough, here in YouTube, you have some stories where you can just listen and the story's right there in front of you. So you listen, getting new vocabularies is easy there. It's also very easy. It simplifies your listening. It also simplifies your speaking because you can cope and imitate what the person speaking is saying. That's the second way you can do to really improve your English. Now let's go to the third way. It's very, very interesting and very, very, very active that when it comes to really improving your English, I suggest you to find someone you can compete with. When I say compete with, just someone you can challenge to. Say you're a parent. You can use your child as a competitive person for you to challenge your English with. So you can tell the kids like, hey, as of now, no English, no service. So these kids, whatever they want to ask from you or to say, they have to say it in English. So when they need something and ask you in Swahili, they're not getting anything. The more you do that, it helps you, not them. Yes, it helps them too, but specifically you. Because you'll have to match, there's not such thing that's very humiliating. Like when your child knows that you can't speak English, yes, but, he sees you or she sees you in the motion, like he or she's talking to you and sees you, like hesitating, being blunt. Yes, it's a bit humiliating. I wouldn't like that for myself. But yes, you have to do that. In a short time, you'll get better. You'll be very, very nice. Okay, so let's go to the last one. Personally, I like imitating. When I watch an American video, when I watch a British English video or movie, I have this tendency where I would imitate. So I would listen to the authors, listen to the actors actually, then I would say whatever they're saying. Say for example, it's a video, yes? These people are talking and they're like, hello, 1, 2, 3, Like for example, the actor says, hello, my name is Jenny. I'm looking forward to meeting you this weekend. Then I will have to say the same back. So I'll go, hello, my name is Jenny. I'm looking forward to meeting you this weekend. So the more I do that, it relaxes my jaws. My mouth, lips and everything structures towards what the author has been saying. Some of you may be a witness. Maybe I'm a witness actually. That when you speak to a person with a certain accent for a certain while, you tend to have the same accent. We as people have this tendency where we cope exactly what we're hearing. So I would advise you to do the same.